Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy twisted updo. To start, I'm leaving a bit of hair out on each side to frame the face, and then I'm gathering the hair into the nape of the neck and applying a wax spray across the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then use a ball bristle brush or any sort of smoothing brush to smooth this back into the nape of the neck and secure it with an elastic band. Now I'm going to take a third of that ponytail and I'm going to just twist it all in one direction, and then holding halfway down the twist I'm going to give it a half turn whilst bringing the ends down to that elastic band to create a loop shape. Then secure to the head with as many bobby pins as needed. Apply some dry texture spray to that loop. Again, I'll list the one I'm using in the description below, and then use your fingers to really pinch and pull it apart for some more volume. Then just wrap a bobby pin around those tail ends, and then I've just tucked it underneath the elastic band. Split the remaining hair from the ponytail in half, and we're going to do the same steps. So twist the hair in one direction, grab that twist halfway down, give it a slight turn whilst bringing the ends down towards the bottom of the head, and then secure in place with as many bobby pins as needed. Apply some more texture spray over that new loop, and again pinch and pull for some more messy volume. And with the tail ends we're going to do the same steps, so just wrap the ends around a bobby pin and tuck them up and underneath that elastic band. And then we're going to do the same with the last section, so again twist everything in one direction, grab the hair halfway down that twist, give it a turn whilst bringing the ends down towards the bottom of the head, and secure that loop again with as many bobby pins as needed. Then just tuck those ends underneath and apply your texture spray to that loop and pinch and pull for some more volume. Curl that hair that you left out at the front away from the face. Do this on both sides, and it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.